Hi, welcome to the last cask. It's David Mason, and we're back today with some Danish whiskey from Stauning. We have this really nice rye expression, and just a little bit of background as to how I came across this. It was one of our Somerton Whiskey Club bottles. It's caused a bit of a stir amongst the club because it's actually fantastic. We had a live Zoom call with Alex Hurup Munch, who's one of the co-founders. There are 9 founders of this reasonably new enterprise, started in 2005, of course in Denmark. And we had a virtual tour of the distillery. A couple of the guys are ex-engineers, and when you go around the distillery you can see some of the concepts and new designs and engineering in regards to the way the floor malting is done. They have their own floor malted barley in the distillery, and there's 2 lanes with this electronic turning machine, which you can see in the picture here. Very, very ingenious, really, in terms of their production, and fair play. Now, this was produced in 2006, first batch made in pot stills, which were brought in from Portugal. The whiskey is about 3.5 years old, and it's very cereal led, I would say, but it's got some fruity notes in there, which makes it nice because we've got, I believe, 70% rye and 30% barley, malted barley. Right, let's have a look. Okay, righty ho. So it's got a beautiful colour. Yeah, it's a nice amber, I would say, and quite a nice viscosity. In fact, it looks quite oily for its age. I think it's very impressive on the nose. So immediately you get, and they say they get rye bread, and I would agree with that. Quite peppery. Yes, very cereal forward notes. I'm getting poached pears, fresh apples, and I'm even getting some like maraschino cherries. So there's quite a lot going on in here on the palate. It starts off immediately fruity, and you get a bit of sweetness there. When it starts to dry and you're getting the berries and the ripe cherries and the zesty citrus peels, leading into more spicy oak, and the finish is quite caramelly, stone fruits, chocolatey, nutty. Let's have another go. Yeah, straight away you're getting that cereally, that rye, that oaky vanilla. It's very nice. It's really different, and this is a great expression from Stauning. I think you've done a really good job. There's a couple more expressions. They've got a smoke, and they've got one called Chaos. I've tried the Chaos. I don't think it's as good. It is typically rye whiskey, and you're getting that more spicy sharpness. This is a lot softer. The malted barley really does complement the rye. I think it's a very good job they've done here. A favourite amongst the Somerton members, 100%. As I mentioned, it caused a little bit of a stir, and everyone gave it some good reviews. And for that, I'm going to give it a very good review. So I'll raise my glass to you. Thank you for listening. And in typical Danish style, skål!